Hello guys, welcome to my manifesto. Okay, see the guys. Actually, I was busy sorting out the qualified students issue because they were having lot many issues. Was taking sessions with them, and after that, I finally built this manifesto for today's election. Okay, so this is the manifesto, as you can see. Welcome to manifesto. We are glad that you guys are here to say it. Okay. So now what is my story? Who I am? So myself, my name is Harshanand Sharma. Okay. I am a student, entrepreneur, and founder of COVID Warrior. Okay. I was so much shy person. I was not able to talk to anyone. My communication skills was so bad. But some events happened in my life, and after that, now many changes happened in my life, and now I'm an entrepreneur and also a founder of COVID Warrior. So the COVID Warrior story is like that. Thing happened is that one of my friend he was living in the metro cities, and I tried to find the oxygen cylinder for him, but it got delayed and his death happened. But he took one promise from me that if I am his best friend, please, means like I should stop this things which is happening right now. So we built a Twitter bot and the system which was providing the verified leads. Actually, we were having a verified team which was verifying with it, and it was posting into it. Okay, so that things I have done. Okay, so now let's come to the next slide. What I did in the IITM. Okay, so I am in the IITM since December. Okay, means the things which it was created in like in September, or I think August 15 was the date where the application forms were released for this application. After that, in September or October, the sessions were started for the qualifier level. Okay, so from that time, I am with the all the guys. Okay, so what happened is that when the first batch they got into this network. Okay, the problem happened with them is that the curriculum was more easy. The curriculum was so it's like it seems so easy. So problem was happening is that these guys they lacked. It's like many of the guys have backlog in the first term. Okay, because all the guys they were moving from an offline scenario to an completely online scenario. Okay, many guys were means like in this foundational qualifier when I'm managing, I have encountered such students which don't know how to use Gmail and which don't know how to use the portal. Okay, so I think yeah, many have will have the same doubt. Many will have the thing is how to operate, how to do the things, because yeah, not all are familiar with it, because this thing which is happening, it's a completely change in the ecosystem, or which is completely change in the education system of India. Okay, so I personally know what problems student will face. So what I did, I created a group with one of my fellow mate, and I circulated that group in all of the groups of or all over the Google groups and everything else that IITM has, so that at least the number of students those who join, I can at least help them. And the problem was happened in the but yeah, and the group was so successful that I received around like daily around 20 to 30 queries from the students regarding some portal, regarding some issues, regarding some documents, regarding some other things. But yeah, I try to help them in every manner. I tried there. Okay. So we also built a PDF where we showed them how to use the portal and all the things. You guys can check that. I will provide the links in the WhatsApp group itself. So you want if you want to check, you can check that. So guys, I have did lot for them. The same thing that I did there, I will be same thing I will be doing itself in our group number 266. Okay. So what I did after I got into the IITM, I had no so okay. What I did, I took the sessions for them. like first we took the orientation session, which was like what is portal, what is thing, so that first they get idea of how the things work. And after that we took the doubt sessions, we took their course sessions. Like weekly we were having some sessions and we were explaining them what is happening in IIT, and what is the or whatever the update we received from the IITM, we used to post it on the website which we created, and also in the Telegram groups and bots that we created for them. Okay. Same thing I will be doing for the group 266. Okay. So see guys, I personally means like I'm not many fond of the offline culture. I was more likely to be online and online culture. So from class 8th, I'm studying online. I have not did any coaching class. I have not did anything for the any things that I've did. I have not did anything offline. Just like I visited the college, that's it. That simple thing. So all my preparation it was online. So yeah, I have been familiar it with very long time. Yeah. So now let's come to the other part. What is my mission? What I do? So guys, my mission is so simple. As the photo here suggests, to bring the happiness on the people's smile, because I have seen students getting panicked due to their system, due to their portal, due to their the things which are happening into them. So guys, what I can do is that it's like today only I would like to tell you there was one case of qualified student who got wrong center. Okay, it was a mistake of support team, and he traveled also, and he was in so much panic. He was a qualifier student, so but yeah, he was part of my group member, so he contacted me. Then I contacted to the recording life. I contacted to the POD team. I contacted the everything. Like we from I think morning to till evening. I was mailing them. I was contacting them, and in like in night, his problem was solved. The same thing I can do for you guys. Any problem you have, you have to just message me. You have to just WhatsApp me. Please don't call, because yeah, if it is urgent, you can call me. I will be, if I will be available to pick up, I will take your calls. I will take your queries. Okay. See, I have understood the scenario, how the things work here. So if you're new, like if you're doing it right now, I can help you in a better way get to that scenario. So what I do is whenever I get the opportunity to improve the things of society and system, I definitely do it. So that we got the opportunity to do something for the system by the COVID warrior. So we did it. We helped many people. I won't like to tell them names and all the things here, because I don't think that is relevant here. See, the thing is that there always some problems, and the what happened is that students just blame to IITM for that. Okay, so instead of blaming IITM, you guys can mail them. I will try them, and and yeah, I know many things which you guys have not known anything else. Like every solution of your problem, it is itself available in the dashboard. If you check it, if you once review it, after after the quiz, I will have one session with all of you guys where I will explain everything to you. Okay. Being a group leader is creating an environment where you guys can easily get into this online culture and find it interesting as offline one. Okay. All the guys are right now in the offline culture, but yeah, due to this COVID, we have seen that you guys have been on it. But yeah, it is, some students have accepted it, some students have still have problem, like they have some problems to him. Okay. So being a GL, what I will do, I will create an environment where you guys can get easily into the online culture. You will not feel it like as online. You will just feel like it's like attending the offline classes, attending offline quizzes, attending all things, doing offline. Okay, you won't feel any burden or anything else on you. And guys, just relax and do this together, because because the thing is not that much hectic as it is shown to you. And one more thing, this degree is the more about collaboration. Okay, which I think in real life we have lost it at some extent. Because you guys have must seen that if you are organizing a single project in a group, there will be like 2 to 5 guys which will oppose you, means they will not collaborate with you. But this degree, it teaches us that how we can excel ourselves through the collaboration, and how we can bring a harmony in between this in between this the students, and in between the communities and organizations of IIT MBSC. Yeah, so I will be helping you a lot in that system. Now another, what is my vision, what I can else do with you? Okay, first thing, as I made it clear, I will help you in any problem got related to IIT BSc. Whether whether I need help of UHC, or whether I can solve it by personally, because I personally have many contacts. I have also spoke to many person. Like till now, I have solved many of the self issues like personally itself, because I had understand how the things work here. So if you go by that steps, your problem is definitely solved. Okay, and due to COVID warrior, many of the students of like whether it may be other group secretaries, whether it may be other peoples, they know me very well. Okay, my vision is to making everyone and providing opportunity everyone to create, excel, and achieve the heights they want in life. It's like whatever you want to explore, or what you want to achieve through this degree, I will give you opportunity. I will give you the chance to like create, excel, and like to be a better version of you right now. What you are, I will be helping in that, and being you a better version. I will also working on myself, that how I can be the better right now what I am. And the thing is that AI, data science, and all these things, it is completely some for some guys, it is like not new, because some are working professionals, they are already studying it. For some, it is completely new, because like for the BTech students also, they have not studied till now AI. They have not studied like data science. Yeah, now the students which are currently enrolled in, uh, due to the new education policy, these courses are now getting boom. But previously it was not. So the previous batch students, they still have problems. Like there is one of my big bro, like I call him big bro. So he is also working, and he have so many problems in understanding these concepts. So what I can do for working professionals, or the students, those who are busy, hectic in their schedule, managing their because they have to also manage one more college. So what I can do is explain you guys with some practical examples, with some practical things, what I do in the session. Same thing we do in the session. Same thing I will be doing for you. Okay, and managing the curriculum, miss like you guys can manage the miss helping you can manage the curriculum, and also helping you to manage the activities of the group, so that you can excel in every part of the group. And one more thing I would like to clear, that many guys I have seen by reviewing the group, that they are not considering CGPA as necessary, or they are not considering that, they are considering it like why to maintain CGPA. Okay, it is relaxation, guys. But whenever the final CGPA will come out, but which will be based on all the things. Because see, guys, IIT have made the curriculum in this way that every single thing is dependent on single thing. It's like if you clear assignments, you can you can give quiz. If you clear quiz, then only you can give end-term. If you clear end-term, then only you can go forward. So at every step you have to prove, miss you have to do something to go forward. It's not like that just two test, and it's not another engineering degree which are happening all around. Okay, so please understand the CGPA is necessary for your jobs and other things, so do focus on it. What I will do is organizing the sessions which will explain you computational thinking, which will explain you maths, which will explain you statistics in some practical way. Like if we are learning statistics, what we can do, we can get some real life example. I will teach you on the Google sheet, and from that where you can withdraw that how to understand statistics, and really how statistics works, and where the statistics is important to us. I can do that thing for you guys. What are the values that I follow? Honesty and integrity. These are the values I follow, because honesty and integrity suggests that if the person is honest, if the person is integral, he will definitely work for the welfare of the people. Okay, not like the politicians of our country. Yeah, passion and creativity. So, what is your passion? You can explore here. There are many clubs. There are many things to do. Like there is e-sale, there is oratory, there is financial club, there is crypto club, there is security club, there is coding club, there is complete hackathon club. Which club you want? Music club, uh, like movie nights. Everything is there. I have been in part of many of movie nights. I've been part of many musical sessions, many jamming sessions, debate competitions, elocution competitions, speech competitions, and those who guys want to excel in the civil services, there is also a civil club for them where they can excel for the civil services. Those who are trying for civil services, I can explain you everything because I have personally, like, since 1 year, I have seen everything and I know how the things work. Okay, respecting every member of the group, whether it may be girl or whether it may be boy or whether it may be any person, and collaborating with him or her in such a manner, in a productive manner, and doing some innovation is a main important part, because teaching you this much values, teaching, bringing collaboration, what is the main part is innovation. And another thing is sustainability, doing it in such part that you also excel at CGPA, also excel at your real, you also excel at your real life, you also excel at the online degree, you also excel at every events which are happening in IIT BSc. What are these are the few things which I will did. First is the creating the, like, this is creating infosec IITR. Okay, and another thing is this is the recent meeting due to which I am posting this so late. Okay, so we started this meeting at 11 and it ended around 3, and I think around 10 to 15 students were there which were still awake till 3, like, learning the concepts or revising the concept. So we organized the session for them. It is a screenshot of that. Okay, so that this activity is necessary so that the CGPA which I am trying to tell you, it is not missed, and yeah, that is maintained, because it is also important for you guys. Okay, so now let's come to the next slide. How I will work with with 3 points basically: with positivity, with a particular purpose, and with care and love affection. Okay, with positivity will bring such a harmony environment in groups so that everyone can positive and work for the developments. No orders or any other activity will disturb the positivity and harmony group. So I would like to tell you one incident happened when I was managing the qualifier group. There was a random guy, I think someone added him. He tried to message to the girls, okay, and asking them directly their photos. So what I did, I contacted to him, means like I removed him from the group. I contacted to the sir. I made complaint to that. I made complaint. I clear that girl complaint. Okay, I talked to that girl, and we sorted it out. And that guy got derailed from the online degree. Okay, this is the hip even happened in the foundational level recently. Okay, so I know how to deal with these kinds of things because I have been dealing these kinds of, like, since 4 years. In Telegram, I have a community where I manage around, like, per day around 20 to 30,000 people are online there, and we used to manage them. Okay, with purpose is like how to create and restructure the club as per it will help you. Means like there are oratory club, there are everything, there every activity happening, but students are not participating. The reason students are not participating is it is they are not feeling is beneficial to them. If you guys will feel beneficial to them, then you will definitely participate, which was happening in our house since many time. Okay, so what I will do, I will restructure it as per you will feel interesting. It will bring more such activities which will make interesting, and also as per your needs, like whatever you request. Like you tell me to conduct a hackathon, I will definitely do it. You tell me to conduct anything else, I will definitely do it. Okay, now with care, in spite of doing all such activities, one thing, maintaining a peaceful and harmony environment so that every member enjoys being part of Namrafa group GL66. Okay, this is the example. Like if anyone has some skill or activity, scaling his activity mean like giving him opportunities to excel at some uh, points in IIT and basic community so that it can be things. One more thing, the quote which will end upon and my which will end upon with my with what I feel: do what you can with all that you have where you are. Okay, so instead of blaming that I've not got this, I've not got this, I can tell that the things I've got is I have got James, because when I started COVID Warrior, it was just three member. One of my friend, like it was my idea. Another he was the web designer. Another was it's like another was graphics. Okay, so just the three guys they started it, and now it is around like having 200 to 300 people working on the volunteer basis for it. Okay, so if you I have got this you guys as a gems, then you guys can do lot of the things. That is what here quote tell, that I will do whatever I have and wherever I am right now, because making it better with whatever I have to wherever right now I am is better than blaming that I'm not at other situation. So I believe in that quote, guys. I think you got an glimpse of what I will do in if you make me in GL of okay. See, my plan is to get into the UHC after soon. I got into the GL, so that after that the GL post of mine it will be again vacant to you. So guys, if you do want me to become GL of Group 266, please do vote. And if you require any help, you can message me anytime. I will be there to help you. No, thank you guys. Thank you for joining. Thank you for listening to me. Thank you so much. Here comes the end to the session.